baby, how you got that ass. Yeah, I had to ask.
Compadre.
But when you ask,
Congratulations! More baby! Pakadami kayo. Yun na. I'm happy for you. Enjoy kayo ni Sammy mamayang gabi.
I'll say I'm free, but on my mind is how I'd rather be with you. I wanna be with you, baby. I wanna be with you, hey. I wanna be with you, hey. I wanna be with you, hey.
Ito na yung inaabangan mo. Payag na ako na bumili ka ng mga motor parts. Basta ikaw yung magbayad.
Ask me time and time if I get jealous. Oh baby, this ain't the exorcist. Cause I'm not possessive, no.
I always find your name on my phone. Texting, calling. Lagi mo na akong pinagkwentuhan at binabatuhan ng joke.
Sinusan niya sa akin yung mga usapan nila, conversation sa messenger. Yung screenshot. Tapos yung mga linyahan niya sa amin. One-liner, punchline na agad yung kay Sammy. Sobrang effortless niyang magpatawa. Ganyan.
I wanna be with you. One, two. I wanna be with you, baby. I wanna be with you, hey. I wanna be with you, hey. I wanna be with you, hey. So baby, how you insecure with a face like yours? So girl, you got me dying.
Naniniwala ako na walang aksidenteng pagtatagpo dito sa mundo. And I believe that everything happens for a reason.
Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay, aking landas ginagabay, nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 dulo.
Ano kami, schoolmate kami sa high school. Alam ko yung mukha niya, hindi ko alam yung pangalan.
After ilang taon, mga 2 years, 3 years, pandemic na. Nagkaroon ako ng chance na makilala ka personally. Yan. Hanggang sa one day, inaya kita lumabas.
Sobrang sweet kasi pinagpaalam din siya ni Sammy kay papa niya. Pumunta sila sa Lingayen Beach. Basta yung sa may favorite spot nila. Yung favorite spot nila. Tapos pa sunrise. Oo, ayun. Nung kinukwento niya yon, sobrang happy ako kasi very dalaga yung atake.
Maligaw man at mawala at umikot man sa kawalan sa bawat kailan.
Until one day, this guy na nagpapatawa lang sa cellphone ko finally showed up in our house and did all the things that I once prayed for. I love how you came into my life at the most perfect time, at the most perfect place. You really got me with those humor. But aside from that, I love how you cared for my family. I love how warm you are to people.
Sana ituloy mo yung pagbablog mo ng love story niyo ni Sammy kasi kapag nagka-family na kayo, ganyan, ang sarap basahin ng mga magiging anak niyo yung ganyan yung mga daily life kasi sobrang ganda mo magsulat, sobrang nakaka-touch. Kahit ako na third person na talagang na-appreciate ko yung thoughtfulness mo.
I love that you know who you are and what you want in life. Simple lang. Nothing fancy. That's how I wanted life to be.
Maligaw man at mawala at umikot man sa kawalan, dahil sa bawat kailan, sino saan, ikaw lamang ang kasagutan. Bawat kanan at kaliwa, kung timog man o hilaga, ang bawat daan ko ay patungo at babalik sa'yo.
Sami, Mayan, sa pamamagitan ng iyong pagmamahalan, nakikita namin kung paano magmahal ang Diyos. Nagmamahal na walang hinihiling na kapalit.